Home. It's where memories are made, where we unwind, and where we feel most comfortable. But let's face it, keeping it spotless can be a full-time job. That's where Florida Cleaning Service Pros comes in. We're here to give you the gift of time and a beautifully clean home. Imagine coming home to sparkling countertops, freshly vacuumed carpets, and that unmistakable scent of cleanliness. With Florida Cleaning Service Pros, this isn't just a dream. It's what we deliver to homes across Florida every single day. Homeowner 1. I used to spend my weekends cleaning. Now, thanks to Florida Cleaning Service Pros, I spend that time with my family instead. It's been life-changing. What makes our residential cleaning service stand out? It's simple. 1. Tailored cleaning plans. Every home is unique, and so are our cleaning strategies. 2. Attention to detail. We don't just clean, we transform your living spaces. 3. Trusted professionals. Our team is background-checked, trained, and passionate about cleaning. 4. Eco-friendly options. We offer green cleaning solutions for a healthier home and planet. Our commitment to excellence has earned us a 5-star rating from happy homeowners across Florida. Homeowner 2. I've tried other cleaning services, but none compare to Florida Cleaning Service Pros. They treat my home as if it were their own. We proudly serve homes in DeSoto County, Glades County, Hardy County, Highlands County, Okeechobee County, Polk County. With our headquarters in Lake Placid, we're your neighbors, committed to keeping our local communities clean and beautiful. Our comprehensive residential cleaning services include regular maintenance cleaning, deep cleaning, move-in and move-out cleaning, spring cleaning, post-renovation cleaning, special event preparation, and much more. We understand that inviting someone into your home requires trust. That's why all our team members are thoroughly background-checked, professionally trained, bonded, and insured. Your peace of mind is our top priority. A clean home is more than just aesthetically pleasing. It's a healthier environment for you and your loved ones, a stress-free space to relax and recharge, a source of pride when entertaining guests. Homeowner 3. The team at Florida Cleaning Service Pros doesn't just clean, they care. They've become an essential part of maintaining our home and our sanity. Ready to reclaim your time and enjoy a consistently clean home? Contact us today at our phone number or visit flcleaningservice.com to schedule your first cleaning. Mention this video and receive a special discount on your initial service. Florida Cleaning Service Pros, bringing the sparkle back to your home so you can focus on what truly matters. Your home, our passion.